Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dawn from Creative Appliques. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. And if you're new, please consider subscribing to the channel down below and click the bell to be notified when I upload new content. In today's video, we are going to continue our series on things that I love. In today's video, we're going to talk about headbands. What do headbands have to do with machine embroidery? Stay tuned to find out. Now that my daughters have gotten older, they have decided that headbands are not their thing. And I can understand it. Hey, phases come and phases go. But I don't know if you're anything like me. I always try to multi-purpose and use something and not throw it away, especially after you used your hard-earned money to buy it. So one day my daughters were getting rid of all of their headbands and I thought, what can I use these for? And voila, I came up with an idea. Do you know all of those big bolts that you have of stabilizers that are hanging out in your cabinets, in your closets, beside your desks? And they have those papers that are in them with the instructions on how to use them. This is what's beautiful about headbands. They fit so nicely around these bolts of stabilizer. They would also work beautifully around bolts of fabric. And it helps to keep this paper that has the instructions, the directions on how to use it, and keep it all together in one place. So I think it's a great idea. I would love to know in the comments how you keep your bolts of fabrics or stabilizers from unraveling, therefore causing you to unravel too. If you enjoyed this video today, guys, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing and click the bell to be notified when I upload new content. Until next time, make your life creative.